for Titroni a Broma crossing bit to say Captain Smart with Jimmy Time. Yeah, Penny Power say Captain Smart, a useless idiot like Captain Smart.
Useless Captain Smart and
for Titroni a Broma crossing bit to say Captain Smart with Jimmy Time. Yeah, Penny Power say Captain Smart, a useless idiot like Captain Smart.
Useless Captain Smart and no fix the country chief form. And you know the question of Casa Ghana and Sichaba. Bibusau. And you know the question of Casa. So such a useless person like that, Okasa Kufuado, a corrupter. Why do you waste your time on him? He's a useless person. Yanyaro Kromano say, Commander Sugar Factory Sichaba. Oh, yeah, the life on Adum FM. Obiahu, so Kroma. That you bounce any credibility as a Ghana or Petrend Kaku. Or your attention seeker. He just wants attention. You didn't want to know. The stock and trade, you say, he seeks attention. Now I are trending. Now, me, I am a radio station, TV station, Makofasa, useless person with Nabeta radio station. I didn't know it. He himself is not a trained journalist. Or needs certificate to be a just a journalist. Shadia Kwame Sefaka no more yet. Shadia, where you know, Boboya to where you other people, good journalists Omukuma. Okwabe Jinawa, so we are you stand-up comedian. So we are Bobo Kala. There is no difference between one and Bobo Kala. There's no difference. Yes. Obeko cantata, uncle cantata. Because maybe she be that, but I am for the two platform now. It's just he's the most useless journalist I've ever met him. Or your journalist, or your radio talk or concert radio show host, concert man. Useless. And we are warning him in the coming weeks. Say a movie, you're called Buafeniaba. Some quasiaphobia, Medameka, and quasiaphobia. If you respect authority, we are saying Ubakosu, Akufuado, Sebi, Wabobra, and your president Obedia, Captain Smart Rebusiamu, Pane, a young young for Kufa, Akufuado houseboy crowd, or you better, or back Captain Smart Rebusiamu, Yadriba Bushapini. I'm telling you, useless person here, or Soyano, Akufuado, corrupt, Akufuado, Nima Kufuado. The whole Ghana, Obiabe minister, he didn't even take expenses in anything. Obiani, over to corruption about Kufuado. Amana Tari Amana, you're useless. You're basically wasting your breath crowd with such a useless character. Because you're useless, and I'm saying it anyway. And I bear my own reply. Obetini Samiami Ozubadi, got a media Miadi. Yabedia got it because I know him very well. Now, Muti Kumasia radio presenters are Mukumasiasu. We didn't papa because a branch was starting with Kroma. Yes, I'll say it and listen, they can't because
so you have to do something about it. So you have to answer any stupid call that they call. Come on, man, get sense. Get sense. Ghana doesn't belong to you. You benefit from Ghana. You benefit from the Ghana Parliament. Ghana Parliament, you have benefit a lot from Ghana Parliament. Mono mu hobi ma me bre. Mu hobi mo me djuma. Mu hobi ye hu company bia na mo ye mo djuma. A bu du su enyansa. E Parliament isu ku je to abra life a o lady. Or starting, you see deputy minister, from deputy minister to whatever is going. If this person doesn't struggle, he doesn't go under command. And when you see Ghana also you educate him. When you focus your top ma FBI now say the whole someone can be piaba. Canada how much did he have? Just give it and see. Maybe you need to take a fee. In investment, why you need to fee? How many years have been in Parliament? From Legon to Deputy Minister. I just do my yeah. Anything else with Timbini's Cassia and I'll be capacity. No papa, none of papa, my own put this stepfather on the channel. Yeah. And Yanni papa. And Yanni papa, this stepfather, Timampubi, and Timampubi. And so these are the people that they talk. That cannot listen. But I feel very bad about my NDC. John Bodley and his people. I feel very bad about them. Now NDC is leading the rule. NPP government, but NDC is controlling us. So what they tell us to do, that's what we do. We are doing what the NDC tell us to do. Because the capacity of money abamukra and kamukra de muwano. Capacity of money abamuwano woman. As we name one Ajumponi Pia Bibiponi Pia Cosu the NDC for. For so popular Wuka Yajisi and Coco. For so popular someone about Kagu up to today. Nihunia are by a year. As somebody Nasafu the Sunday Jensinka and Fa Utu for. Somebody
microphone say me yes star no and no enya paramount over Ghana because me superstar na me ye na se me nyesika ehe na me ko todan ehe na me ko sidan ehe na me ko ye japade Ghana na se Ghana na me pese me ko ye japade wo ho me pese me ko set up wo ho me pese me ko rest wo ho na dachi ye sie me wo Ghana no se me hwe na se me tena se me star me ye nti ye ntena ona Ghana nse ya na me yo man bofo se me tena se na me ka se said the bay and Crophobica so way there, or ye MPP ni, or ye NDC ni, or ye intine, yan support no. Say ye no, and Kwan and Kaya standard media, then me, my program interest is not bigger than Ghana. That is why I roll up my sleeves, put my awards on the side, put my talent music aside, put everything aside and say, listen, enough is enough. The propaganda agenda is enough. The time has come for some people to be bold. We need the men that have the balls to face these stupid NDC propagandist people going on. And that is why I joined this thing. I did not join this thing thinking that I was going to get any money. I didn't join it thinking that I was going to sell merchandise. I didn't join this thinking that I'm going to get people to send me money. God forbid. Because that was never the case. I'm not a millionaire. I'm not a billionaire, but I'm okay. You know why? Because I can afford to eat 3 times a day. My kids can afford to eat 3 times a day. My family is good, so I am good. In any case, what sense does it make? Mo amu we brochire na sa baifo we no ba ba ya de amoko support yo mo no. Mesra mo ti we mo se mo si dan wo Ghana. Na uchi taxi na bra okwa akohome wo Ghana ana meboa. Mo amotete ebrochira mo se anu nti accountability no mo person man ye nti na mo say mo person we accountability to the government. Now my question to you say, if what you are doing, it is only inciting people against the government, it's only inciting you to take on the government, it's only inciting people to cause chaos, where the fuck or where the hell are you going to finish down your taxi business and go to Ghana and think you are going to have peace? If corruption is not taken, if corruption is not curbed by digitization, which is saving a lot of people in the foreign and the Western worlds, if it's not in Ghana to make the life of Ghana better, you will go there and you will still fall into that corruption. You will still fall into that problem. Armed robbers will be there because there are no street lights. There are no street cameras. Your life is going to be danger. So if you're a smart person who lives abroad, you should applaud Dr. Bawumia anytime you see him. Because he is trying to bring a brochure to Ghana. Ghana for Jimmy for you to coin na sebi. Ya basa ya mejine. What your brochure who restore our security cameras boboho. Edi entine edi aboboho. To stop stealing, to stop corruption. Security cameras are not for show unless you're a shallow-minded person who doesn't know how governance works or obi a winning sebi a membu otie and abeka sankwa siasemno. But to him, the essence of security in the country, because if the country has money and there is insecurity, the money goes out of hand. But when the security is good, you always strive. That is why people like Ghanaians should be thanking Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia for championing that digitization. Ministry of Communication for the people should start thanking them, even though we need them to do more. Okwa brochira security. Sister Charity, welcome. Okwa brochira security cameras bobo baby, CCTV bobo baby. Abai na aba Ghana. Monchira me NDC ni government to obetna so ka say media me person the camera be bobo chrome so that it can bring down sebi armed robbery and thievery during the night. How which of the NDC government? Was it Rawlings or Atamils or Mahama? Which of them? None. My brothers, my sisters, none. You know why? Because they strive on corruption. Omo diane krono, yen we are yen confess kensie, ye de be first man say, adie na say for parliament to cry yen sa. Hey, you bet this guy. That is the stupid thing that is in these people's mind. And that is why they hate digitization. That is why they hate Dr. Bawumia. Because baby and komu be wie scarf fedi ni na papa ni sisi yo last me be bo bi ma mo ha. When I went to Ghana, I came and played those tapes